cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my coconut milk for my Jamaican rice and peas. And you can also use it to make, Jamaican saltfish rundown. You can use coconut milk, guys, in any recipe. Yes? So I'm gonna show you and how I make it. Yeah? So this is my coconut. I'm using one coconut. Okay? So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. So guys, now I'm gonna burst the coconut. If you like outside, what you can do, if you have a wall, you can just take the coconut and just, mash it. Yeah. But I'm in my kitchen, so what I'm gonna do, I have one of these food hammer, and I'm just gonna gently, break it. It's a bit difficult, but yeah, just take your time. If you don't have a food hammer, you can also use a hammer. Yeah. Guys, I realized that this coconut is spoiled. Yes, it is spoiled, guys. So it's good thing that I have another coconut. So I'm gonna break another one. This is just a smaller one. Can you imagine the coconut spoiled? Oh my gosh. Watch ya. It's rotten. And I'm not even a long time I have it, and it's rotten. Guys, let me break in this one. The only problem with this one is really small. Yeah, this seems like it's good. Perfect. That one is good. I'm gonna break it again. Sometimes you break it and even the shell come off. If you have like a sharp knife, you can just take the knife and just, try and lift it up. See that? Perfect. Just gonna wash it off. So now guys, I'm just gonna add my coconut to my board right here, because I'm gonna cut it up. Yeah. So what you can do, guys, you can just, once you have a sharp knife, just come like this. Yeah. Just cut it down straight, just multiple of time. And I'm gonna get my bowl and do this. Yeah, because I'm gonna blend it up. I don't have one of those big grater. I don't like the small grater. I like the big grater that I used to, use back home. I try to find them here in the UK, but I don't see any. Growing up, I used to always grate a coconut. Yeah, that's my thing. I remember when my mother working, and my auntie working, and a Sunday I will be cooking, and I have to grate the coconut, guys, every Sunday. To be honest, I never used to like grate a coconut. No, I never used to like grate a coconut. Yeah, but you know, you have to do it. Cause those time I never have no blender, you know. Yeah. But if I have one of those big grater that I used to use back home in Jamaica, I would have used it. I was getting my cousin in Jamaica to buy one for me. But she said that my uncle have to make them. Because she said that them don't really sell them big grater no more. And we said, true? She said no. She said, Jody, they don't sell them anymore. People use, a beer blender people use. Guys, even though I'm cutting up the coconut, I'm also eating it. I can't resist it. I love coconut. I was showing you guys in another video that I put sugar on the top sometimes. You put a little sugar and it melts and you eat it. Growing up, I used to always do that. Yeah, so that's done. So guys, I'm gonna add at least 3 cups of water. I don't normally measure it, I just want to just show you guys. Yeah, that's it. This is my blender right here. So I'm just gonna add my coconut to my blender. One of these days I'm gonna also show you guys how to make coconut oil. So you're gonna pour the water in. Just like so. Yep. So now guys, I'm gonna blend it up. So the lid is on. Oops, in there. So guys, this is what it look like after I finish blend it all up. Make sure that everything is blend, okay? Yeah. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, here I have my strainer and I also have a bowl. So I'm gonna pour it in and strain it. So now I'm gonna take my hand, make sure your hand is clean guys, and I'm gonna squeeze out the juice, okay? So guys, you can strain it at least 2 times. Yeah, but this is pretty much finished. I have my coconut milk in my glass right here, so I'm just gonna pour it in. Look at that, so nice and so creamy. So guys, as you can see, I get a lot out of it. And this way it is much cheaper. It is so much cheaper. It take a bit of time to do, but once you get used to it, it's easy. Yes, so guys, what you can do, you can just leave it in your fridge for at least 3 days, okay? Yes. When you make it, guys, it's gonna be such a difference to your rice and peas. Honestly, you're gonna taste the coconut in there, the real coconut. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. If you do try it, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Put a lid on. Don't forget, guys, to give this video a thumbs up, and please share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it,